TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome back to the Big 100 project. Wow, really close now. The first set of collaborators submissions were due on 19th of November and we managed to fill out about 70, maybe 80 so of these blocks. I then released the rest of the submissions to the reserve block and they have until the 24th of December to finish this up, and it's starting to look like we might actually make it. There is only 11 blocks left. 11, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, 11 blocks. That's 91 submissions. No, that's 89 submissions. Wow, my maths is terrible. 89 submissions, that's fantastic. There's some real crazy stuff going on here. It's really chaotic, but I think that's all in the spirit of it. I really love how chaotic this is. I might consider doing a sort of smaller versions of these, maybe yearly, maybe sort of blocks of 50 rather than 100, because 100 is huge. That's a lot of people to get collaborating. But it's really nice to see the variety, different styles, techniques and things, like this sort of really smooth looping animation to some really chaotic stuff like this one over here by Harley Knife. This one's really great. I think I mentioned that before, Iran. And this one by Aria here, the sort of pop art style. It's crazy to see the mishmash of different styles, and it's just awesome. It's a lot more chaotic and brilliant than I thought it could be. In the future, I might consider offering a color palette, as well as the lines, to bring the different blocks together a bit more. But I'm not sure if that goes against the spirit of the whole thing. The original image is kind of lost a little bit. You can kind of still see the lady and the globe and the hot air balloon a little bit, but overall it's lost, which I think is lovely in terms of a concept. But in terms of design, it might be nicer if I were to give a color palette as well as stipulations on things like size and duration and stuff like that. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Does that go against this whole idea of this? I think this is brilliantly chaotic. So like I said, might consider doing this yearly, might consider adding different rules each time it comes around, but the current people have until the 24th of December to finish this up, which means you'll probably see the finished thing in the new year, and I'll do a video where I go through each block probably and explain what I like about them. And that's it really, just a quick update because I know it's been a bit quiet on this project. People have just been getting busy submitting and I've been getting busy updating the website and stuff like that. It's also Christmas now, of course, which means we all like to take a little bit of break at Christmas. So thank you so much to everybody that has submitted so far. Thank you so much to everybody that is planning to submit but hasn't yet. Make sure you get it in because it's looking like we might actually finish this thing, which is crazy. So thanks so much, everybody, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.